wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Got the devil in your eyes. You went into me, I'm surprised. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
And now it's time for the sweet, sweet sounds of Christine. What is going on, man? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy FatKat, of course, bringing you another one, man. So you guys seen the thumbnail, you guys seen the title of the video, but of course, before I actually get into that, I gotta do what I actually am doing in the thumbnail real quick. So let me go over here and get some gas real quick, and then we'll sit here. After that, we'll talk about everything else we need to talk about, man. So let me go ahead and get some gas real quick, and then we'll do that, man. I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this, man. So what I want to talk about to you guys, right? And this is not really for the people that already have scat packs or whatever the case, or chargers or Hellcats, whatever you call it, man. These are for the people that don't already have one of these cars and are kind of looking into getting one of these cars. This video is for you, man. I kind of wanted to go over some of the things that you may not necessarily 100% understand, the hidden costs that might come with owning a car like this, man. So, you know, one thing that people always talk about is, you know, what are your payments, 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 and then what's your insurance, so on and so forth. And that's pretty much the two things that people mainly only talk about. And obviously, you know, you got a little bit of associated costs with maintenance or whatever. You know, for the first couple of years, really, you really shouldn't have that much maintenance costs unless you just, whatever reason, you got a lemon or you beat your car up a lot, and you know, your car's always in the shop, or you do a bunch of mods or whatever, and you know, then you got your car breaking down. But anyway, but as far as like the regular car, the normal car, there's really not that much that you should be trying to do other than regular maintenance, as far as oil changes and, you know, things like that. Small little slight things as far as brakes or whatever, for the most part, right? So let's not really factor in maintenance that much as far as hidden costs with this car. The main thing I want to talk about, man, on today's video anyway, because there's a couple different things, but the main thing I want to talk about, man, is, you know, these cars are not that great in gas mileage. Now on the highway it is, I will give you that. On the highway, if you take this car on the highway and you're driving long distance, you could get pretty decent gas mileage, man. I think when I went to Atlanta to go see my dudes up there, Savage Speed, Bad Hemi, and Mods of Fame when they were, you know, when he had a little pop-up meet up there. Shout out to my guys. But you know, when I went up to Atlanta, I already did my cats, you know, catless mids. I already did my mid-month delete, and I think I was getting about 24 to 25 gallons, you know, MPGs on the way up. But mind you, I was on eco mode, and I was doing, you know, about 80-ish. I left in the middle of the night, so I didn't have a lot of traffic. So, you know, I was just rolling around about 80-ish miles per hour, pretty much the whole way. And I was on eco mode, man. So I got about 24 to 25 miles per gallon on the way, you know, there and back. So you could get decent gas mileage on the highway, man. But as you're driving around in normal everyday use in the city and things like that, or combined, you know, combined usage. Again, this is only for the people that are going to be daily driving their car, man. That's what this video is about. Those people that already have one, or they're going to get one and not, you know, not daily driving, meaning they got another car like a daily driver, then it's not really going to apply to you. I'm going to get to the point. I pay about $400 a month in gas. Say that again. $400 a month in gas. Now again, it's because I do daily drive Christine, man. Christine, if you don't know, if you are new to the channel, Christine is my Dodge Charger Scat Pack that you've seen in the thumbnail. Check out some other pictures you've seen in the beginning of in the intro. That is my Scat Pack. She's affectionately named Christine, and I've had her now for just about 1 year, man. So again, I pay about $400 a month. The reason being is because I do daily drive my car. All right. Now, obviously, it's not gonna be the same if you don't daily drive your car. It's not gonna be the same. This is the reason why I say it's not necessarily for the people that don't, you know, that already have the Charger, because one, they already know what they're paying, and two, that have one and they don't necessarily daily drive their car. But like I said, I daily drive mine, so that's what I pay. And of course, it also is going to determine, or is going to depend on, you know, where you're at in your states. You know what I'm saying? Obviously different states have different prices. Not even just different states, different counties, different cities, whatever the case. Where I'm at in Tampa, the gas is about $3 per gallon right now, like today as we speak. A couple weeks ago, it was like at $2.90 or something like that, or whatever. But we all know why gas prices went up a little bit. But anyway, not to get into that. But right now as we speak, July, what is today? The 16th. Not July. What am I? July. Damn. January 16th. It is about $3 a gallon, right? So where you're at might be a little bit above, a little bit below, whatever the case. So you might give or take. But for me, I spend about $400 a month. The reason being is I drive about 65 miles a day. Let's say 20, 40. Yeah, between, let's say 50 to 60 miles a day. 50 to 65 miles a day, I would say I drive. Just to and from work. That's about 50 miles, right? It's about 24 to 25 miles one way to go to work. And then from there, either if I got to go pick up, which I'm going to go right now, I got to go pick up my kids from school and then bring them back home and then go to practice and everything else. So that's another, let's say roughly give or take 10 to 20 miles added on to my regular daily commute, right? So I would say anywhere from, actually let's just give it 50 to 75 miles I drive on a daily basis, Monday through Friday pretty much. So that is the reason why though. So again, if you drive less than that, it's, you know, it's going to be slightly different. But I pay $50 every time I fill up this car, right? It's roughly $50, and that's whether, you know, if the gas is $2.80 or $3, whatever the case. So it could go anywhere from, fluctuate from $46 from empty to $50, $51, depending on what the gas prices are around that time. So, but let's just call it even, right around 50 bucks. And I put gas in this car 2 times a week. All right, so normally I put it like on a Monday, and then I will put gas again on probably like Thursday or something like that, or Friday. So again, 2 times a week, man, $50 a pop, comes out to $100 a week. And you know, you times that by 4, because there is 4. If you don't know, there are 4 weeks in 1 month. So therefore, $400. Yes, sir. So I just wanted to put that out for the people that are thinking about buying this car, man. That's another thing you got to consider. You know what I'm saying? It's not, especially if you're going to daily drive, it's not just the amount of your payment, the amount of your insurance. You also got to factor in a couple hundred. I mean, my gas bill is damn near the same price of my payment. You know what I'm saying? So that's another thing you got to factor in, man. How much is going to cost you to basically drive this car every single day? Literally put gas in it and operate the car, man. And like I said, that excludes maintenance and everything else, and insurance and all that good stuff. So just wanted to throw that stuff out there for you guys, man. You guys want to be smart when you get cars like this. Remember, I mean, the Scat Pack is, as everybody knows, man, it's a 392, but it is a 6.4 liter V8, man. It ain't no small, you know, small engine, man. It is a big boy. And then when you start doing mods and you start, you know, doing exhaust mods and everything else, I mean, naturally you're gonna want to hear that big V8 rumble down the road, right? It's just natural. That's what you paid for. So, you know, you're gonna get into a little bit more and everything else, and you know, it's just all the associated things that come with having a car like this, performance car, and especially modern and everything else, man. So anyway, man, just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. I don't want to go to make it a long, drawn out story, man. Just want to give you guys the ugly downloaded, you know, the download truth, man, the good, the bad, and the ugly that comes with this car. And I wouldn't even necessarily call that ugly or bad. It's the truth, and it's a hidden, I think it's a cost that a lot of people don't necessarily really factor in when they think about buying these cars, man. They don't really factor in how much it's going to cost for them to operate every single day. All right, so there you go. If you guys have any questions, man, make sure you guys comment down below. You guys know that I pretty much answer back to everyone in my comments section. I normally try to respond back to everybody, man, because, you know, obviously if you're commenting, you got questions or whatever, then, you know, I want to do my best to be able to answer that for you guys, man. All right, other than that, do not forget, man, do not forget that the giveaway is live right now. The videos on how to enter and also the videos of unboxing it is linked in the description below. All right, so make sure you guys go check out those videos, man. You could have all of the rules and everything else on how to enter that and when that giveaway is going to be announced, man, or when the winner is going to be announced, I should say. So make sure you guys go to that video. Like again, it's going to be down in the description below. Make sure you guys go check it out. And yeah, man, hopefully, you know, a lot of people enter. I think we got about 50 entries right now, man, so not too bad. We got about 50 entries or so that are entered for it. And like I said, and please, man, when you do enter, man, try to make sure you do everything that's applied to, you know, that I said in the rules in order for you to enter. And not because I'm trying to be an asshole about it, it's because I want to make sure I'm fair, man. So if you got one, you know, so if you got people that did everything that I asked them to do, and then I got, you know, let's say I got 40 people well, let's say 40 people that did everything that I asked to do for the entry. And then you got 10 people that didn't, but I put them in there anyway. And then let's say one of those 10 people won. I mean, is that really fair for that person to win when the other people did literally every single thing that was asked to do for the entry, man? So I just want to make sure I'm fair across the board. If you guys don't know me by now, man, that's, you know, that's one of my things, man. I like to be fair across the board and, you know, give everybody a fair chance and not you know, shortcut anybody, man. So anyway, I think that's it for this one, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. If you guys know, I am your boy FatKat, man. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good. Did I just say that right? I just said that, my bad. But hey, since I said it twice, it must be nice. All right, man, that was corny, I'm sorry. But yeah, hey, I'm corny sometimes. It's all good, man. Look, it's all right sometimes to know You know what I'm saying? Like, you don't gotta be hard all the time. You don't gotta be I'm the shit all the time and this and that. Hey, it's alright, man. Everybody got a little bit of cornball in them, and it's alright to let it out every once in a while, man. It's all good, man. There's nothing to prove to nobody. I don't gotta prove I'm the hardest to anybody. I don't gotta prove I'm the most this and the most that. At the end of the day, man, I live a happy life. You know what I'm saying? And I don't need to prove to anybody that I'm the hardest, because that's just stress. You know what I'm saying? I don't look, I live a happy life. I'm always happy. I'm always positive. You know what I'm saying? Or at least I try to be. And with that comes, I'm not trying to be better than the next man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to shit on nobody. I'm not trying to tell nobody else that they beneath me. I'm not trying to tell nobody that, you know what I'm saying, I'm better than you as far as what I got established in my life and what I've accomplished and everything else. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, everybody's in this together, man. I wish there was a way that literally everybody can literally come up together and you know, and establish together, man. There's no competition with nobody, man. And that's with being hard, with being the most manly man, with, you know, everything I got or I don't got. There's no competition, man. If you see somebody falling short, man, do what you got to do, and you know, and try to help them out. I'm not saying you have to put yourself in jeopardy as far as your life, right? But at the end of the day, man, if you could break a little bit of bread with that person, man, do that. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, man. All right, that's enough talking for today. Like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bells. You guys know I am your boy FatKat once again. And we'll see you guys on the next one. And later. Wait, my bad. How could I forget? I always be forgetting stuff, man. How could I forget, man? Hey, watch out. If you guys don't know, man, Demonology is doing a call out, YouTube call out on March 7th. I believe it's March 7th. Appreciate him for calling me out, right? So he called me out and my dude, Garage.Driven. So we're gonna be out there March 7th, man. If you don't know, first of all, if you don't know Demonology, I don't know why you don't. You got the dope demon killing everybody, snatching everybody's souls and everything else, man. So, but Demonology's having a YouTube call out. He called out a bunch of people, and we were, you know, blessed enough to be able to be called out as well in that call out, man. So it's March 7th. Me and Garage.Driven will be showing up over there, man. By the way, you guys see I picked up my kids. There goes Gianni. Noah down there sleeping. Got Surreal.
I'm not sleeping.
Well, whatever. You got your head down. You know what I'm saying. March 7th, man. We got the call out, man. I wanted to come back on here first of all to say that, to announce it, and then two, to make sure you guys watch this promo video, man. So you guys be seeing this video every once in a while, bleeding all the way to the event. So make sure you guys, man, if you guys are around the area, if you guys can get to it, make sure you guys come out, man. There's gonna be a lot of people there. Some of your favorite YouTubers are going to be there as well, man. If you guys can come out, it is in Dallas, Texas. Make sure you come out, show love, show support, and mainly just have a good time, man. All right, here goes the promo video, man. See you on the next one. Let's go.